Mush here. So, to continue to help celebrate with St. Patrick's Day, I thought it would be fun to make a like a horn in the shape of a leprechaun's hat. So if you go to a St. Patrick's Day parade, you can use it to be like, Happy St. Patrick's Day, yay! Like that. So, step one, you need to get a paper towel roll, something like this. And then step two, grab a green piece of construction paper, and we're just gonna wrap it around our tube like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue down. Now, of course, as always, if you want to use hot glue, you can. I'm just using a glue stick today. Okay, I'm gonna stick this on. Okay, and then I'm gonna trim it up at the bottom here once I'm done. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll it like this. Okay, and then see where this comes. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add the glue on the tip like this. Remember, it's not a bad idea to add a little more glue than what you think you need, because you don't want it to fall apart. Okay, just like that. And then make sure it's on there good. Okay, and if you need to add a little more on the edges, get it on those edges. Okay, all right, so that's step two, rolling it up and gluing it down. Step two. All right, now if you have a little bit of extra like we have here, just cut it off. Cut it down to the brim. So this would be step three. If you have extra, cut off the extra just like this. Okay, just like that. All right, now our next step, we're gonna take our tube and we're gonna trace around the bottom. Okay, like this, just like this. Okay, so there's the hole, right? Okay, and I'm gonna cut that out, but we want the brim of the hat, so we're gonna make the brim of the hat slightly larger like this, okay? And then I'm gonna cut the brim out, fold this in half, snip that, and cut the inside out. And then we're gonna have something like this. And then you just stick it on the bottom. You can add glue if you want, just like this. If you make the hole big enough, it can just slide right on, just like that, okay? Next, you need a black strip, just like we did earlier. We're gonna roll it around like this. Okay, I'm gonna put some on right here, the glue. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick it on where I think it should be, like right there in the middle. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around like this, as tight and as best as I can. All right, and then same thing. I'm gonna put some glue right where it needs it. Just like right there, okay? And I'm gonna make sure it's nice and tight, just like that. All right, so that's step four, okay? Then you're gonna take a little yellow, excuse me, cut out a square, and then you can draw another square inside, fold it, snip it with your scissors like this, and then cut it out, and then you get something like this. And then you can put the belt buckle on, and you just glue it on, just like this, okay? Now you could say you're done right here. You got your hat, and you can put your mouth on it. Hello, everybody, happy St. Patrick's Day, yay! Or, for an extra added element of fun, take orange ribbon or cut out strips of orange paper and glue it inside your tube like this. So then when you're shouting Happy St. Patrick's Day and wishing everybody a happy day, and you stick it on inside, they will wave and wiggle as your breath leaves the tube. Okay, but make sure you put a lot of glue on so they stick. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put like, two more, okay? As a matter of fact, I'm gonna cut them in half because I think they're just a little too big. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. I just think they're just a little too big, and you really want them to flop in the wind. Okay, and you can put as many of these streamers from construction paper or ribbon, as many as you want. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick like I said, I'm gonna just do 3 for now. But you can add as many as you want. So look, okay? And then they flutter in the wind, okay? All right, I'm just gonna fix my brim right there. And there you go, okay? As my streamers don't wanna stick on. Okay, so make sure you put enough glue and you stick them on there really well. All right, so with that being said, I would love to see your St. Patrick's Day horns shaped like a leprechaun's hat. So please send us a picture on our website, mrmushmakes.com, or send us a picture to our email that you see below, and we would love to share it with the world. All right, I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps us out. Peace.